Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to TAITRA's Taiwan Satellite online presentation and biz meeting. My name is Chen Hao, and I will be your host today. Taiwan External Trade Development Council, TAITRA, is Taiwan's foremost nonprofit trade organization with 63 offices worldwide. In response to the booming development of IoT applications and 5G, 6G networks, low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites are regarded as key technologies, and countries are actively investing in building LEO satellite constellations. Today, 5 Taiwanese companies in the vanguard of low Earth orbit satellites will introduce their companies and products with you. Our first company is Liskotech. Liskotech was founded in 2015 and specializes in applications and system design that require high stability. The company is also dedicated to FPGA, CMOS, imaging system development. Let's welcome Amy.
I'm Amy Chen from Liskotech. I would like to introduce you my company. Liskotech was established in 2015, focusing on design, development, and production. In 2017, we got ISO 9001 certified. Our major product is mission-critical imaging solution. The application covers satellite image payload to automation solution. In addition to the wealth of experience working x86 and ARM-based platform, Liskotech is also dedicated to FPGA development. With the advantage of the heterogeneous design, we created high reliability and powerful image products. Liskotech provides customers with complete solutions, from hardware to software. We have a strong R&D team. From hardware mechanical design to software, the firmware and the algorithm is our key technologies for our image product line. Currently, we have H.264, motion tracking, JPEG 2000, CCSDS, TDI, and AI. The space image unit consists of OSA, image data capture, image data processing, image data operation. The green area shows what we developed. We have a series of products from 1.3 megabyte to 25 megabyte image sensors. Customers have a variety of choice to fulfill their requirement, such as Earth observation or star tracker application. From 2015 up to now, Liskotech has been offering products worldwide. Sweden Space Cloud with S5, NewSat adopted our imaging solution. There are already 5 units launched. In Taiwan, we participated Formosa 8 project, which would be launched next 2 to 3 years. We also co-work with the NCKU Tiangong 2 projects. In space and other harsh environment, understanding equipment reliability and performance over mission lifetime remains a key concern for the designer. We perform a lot of tests on our products, especially radiation test, thermal vacuum test, and high vibration shock test. Our products have passed 24G random vibration test. Aside from space products, we have other product line, high-end machine vision systems and long-wave infrared monitoring systems. With dual sensor design, the smart vision can have a 3D effect. Embedded with the GPU and FPGA, it can work independently as assembly, quality control, or object identification. This device already tested with the industrial robot company from ABB, KUKA, Yoshikawa, Finec, and Universal Robot. The LWIR is under development. We have more information on our website. Please feel free to contact us with your questions. Thank you.
Liskotech image processing is used in a variety of applications, and its image system is already used by a customer in Argentina with 5 commercial satellites in space. Thank you, Emmy, for your clear and interesting presentation. Our next company is Tron Future, a company that specializes in SAR radar, satellite communication systems. Their company slogan is to create future technology. As their slogan tells us, they are committed to creating innovative, new technology that hasn't existed. Today, Dr. and CEO Mr. Wang and Project Manager Mr. Xie will demonstrate their company products.
Tron Future Tech is a Taiwan-based tech company focusing on developing system services and solutions based on phased array radar and communication systems. Our mission is to help our customers collect, analyze, and utilize valuable data through these inventions. Our core competencies are centered on ultra-thin, all-digital, hybrid phased array systems and the value-added data processing infrastructure. Most of our customers are in aerospace and defense industry, and we have enjoyed over 100% year-to-year growth. We are capable of designing and assembly testing of advanced phased array systems, including the design and verification of all core chips, algorithms, and systems. We are a turnkey system provider, and we are establishing the first Taiwanese ISA production line in 2022. In terms of quality system, we have been certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 4501. Windchill PLM has been deployed since June 2021, and we are committed to high-quality R&D and productions. Formosar is the first Taiwanese satellite synthetic aperture radar jointly developed by National Space Program Office and Tron Future Tech. Formosar is composed of 5 synchronous phased array antenna, each with a 1 meter by 1 meter aperture size and has a total 5 meter squared aperture size. It weighs 175 kilograms, excluding the deployment mechanism. Formosar has over 20,000 antennas, operates in the X-band, transmit at peak 5 kilowatt eye power and 100 megawatt EIRP at 5% to 10% duty cycle with less than 5,000 watt DC power consumption. It operates in low Earth orbit and circle the Earth every 90 minutes. It achieves a less than 1 meter high resolution and around 500 kilometers wide swath through 4 digital multi-beams. It is an all-weather active remote sensing system commonly used for environmental and disaster observation. Formosar is scheduled to be launched in 2025. Airborne tests will be started from 2022 with reduced aperture size.
Tron Future Tech continuously delivers the world's thinnest all-digital phased array systems. Based on the experience of developing phased array radar, Tron Future Tech also provides a solution for space applications. XT144 is a high-speed X-band phased array transmitter for the LEO satellites. It offers CCSDS-compliant QPSK and 16 APSK modulated downlink signal operating in the EES band and enables your satellite to maximum 800 megabit per second downlink. XT144 also consists of redundant units, including PDU, DPU, and modulator in a compact size. It operates in DC 28 volt and provides EIRP greater than 58 dBn with a total power consumption less than 100 watts. A user-friendly UR interface provides a functional remote monitoring and control. XT144 complies with the SFCG spectral mask. The test result has shown that XT144 still passed the spectral max with 6 dB margin when operating at highest data rate. Nowadays, XT144 supports QPSK and 16 APSK modulation. Users can easily switch between them by a simple UR command. In addition to tests with VSA, XT144 also does a collaborated test with Cortex high data rate receiver, which is a field-proven modem for satellite compatibility testing. What are the key features of the transmitter provided by Tron Future Tech? First of all, It is an integrated phased array solution. Users do not need to seek discrete components like an antenna to build out a communication system. Second, it consists of cross-redundant interface and redundant units that enables users to quickly start space exploration. Third, it has some flexibility in array size, modulation types, and data rate, which can be upgradable to meet your requirements. In the near future, Tron Future Tech provides an X-band phased array transmitter with 256 elements that can support 64 APSK and speed up to 1.2 gigabit per second. Please contact us for more information. Tron Future Tech. Thanks for your attention.
Tron Future Tech is a pioneer in Taiwanese satellite synthetic aperture radar (SAR) manufacturing. They also provide a new transmitter for LEO satellites that can assist you to quickly start space exploration. Thank you, Dr. Wang and Mr. Xie, for sharing with us. Our next presenter is Bill, founder and CEO of HelioX Cosmos. HelioX Cosmos is a proactive space business company which provides a wide spectrum of total solutions. These include nano-satellite R&D, spaceflight verification, space-grade components to launch service, CubeSat, ISS deployment, and lunar missions. Today, Bill will share with us on their space business and commercial service.
My name is Bill Chang, founder and CEO of HelioX Cosmos, a unique and leading company in Taiwan specializing in the space business and commercial service. First, I'd like to tell you an amazing story about myself. I founded the company in 2018 from scratch with my own savings from my past work. Definitely, it was not a large amount. However, today, I'm very proud to say that in just 2 years, I launched a Taiwanese CubeSat, which is part of our national space program, into orbit on board SpaceX's Transporter-1 mission on 24th January this year. So with that, HelioX Cosmos has accumulated experience and credibility in the space business and ready to move forward to next launch pad with our customers. So please keep in mind that at the time, I had done all of it alone. Yes, a one-man company, surely a proactive and growing space company. My very first yet vivid memory of what I wanted to devote my whole life to accomplish when I was 3 years old was to become a Taiwanese astronaut. Since then, I was already in love with space and everything about it. Maybe in my former life I was an Aryan. Who knows? Well, later on, I studied space architecture and got my master's degree in the University of Tokyo. I'm a YouTuber and a periodic speaker to radio programs in Taiwan and on Clubhouse, where I bring my passion to the public. My company is the official partner of SpaceBD in Taiwan. Together, we're currently collaborating in several inspiring missions with industries, academics, and even individuals. The mission of HelioX Cosmos is to democratize space, bridging academia and industrial resource together to open up space business in Taiwan, and from here to Asia-Pacific region, and eventually to the world. The pain point I found in Taiwan when our government industries were thrusting into space business is that there was almost no one providing one-stop service. By this I mean, from the beginning, the mission concept to integrating and realizing the idea into a flight-ready model, all the way to launching into orbit and operation. Meanwhile, during the process, as a consultant to clients, industries and academia in Taiwan are all experts in manufacturing cost-affordable and high-quality products, many of them even having great potential in the space market. For this, HelioX Cosmos provides satellite launch service and CubeSat components and integration with technical support to clients so they can concentrate on their products, and we help them to obtain space-qualified heritage. In addition, with partnering with Japanese private space business entities, we now have the ability to launch satellites from ISS and in the near future from even higher orbit. This greatly lowers the hurdle to access space and cost. We provide our customers with a variety of options to fly their products and missions into space. And most of all, we're taking customer experience as a first priority. We provide our customers with real-time feedback and super fast solutions. Having realized that the fundamental issue is to inspire next space generation, Helix Cosmos is actively propelling space education and workshops. This is the CubeSat that we launched into space this year. And now, before we move forward to our third year in space business, we're taking one giant leap on the way to reach our goal. We're going to the moon. In Taiwan, we're forging a bigger team, and together with Asia Pacific space players, we will go to the moon. It is our goal. It is our destiny of becoming a cislunar company that commercializes the moon for the benefit of humanity. And yes, we're working on forging a cislunar company from today. In order to achieve this goal, we're asking for your support and participation in our mission and growth in the coming years. Let's go to the moon together. Come to us with your dreams, and we fly you to the space. Helix Cosmos, your gateway to the stars. Thank you.
HelioX Cosmos offers a variety of services for companies with satellite needs. It is capable of supporting any satellite-related needs. Thank you, Bill, for sharing with us. Our next company, TensorTech, is dedicated to the minimization of satellites and provides a full-stack service for the ADCS. Today, Jordan, their business development executive, is going to demonstrate their spherical motor technology for satellite attitude determination and control system, ADCS. Let's welcome Jordan.
Hi, I'm Jordan, Business Development Executive at TensorTech. I'm so glad you can be here. Today, I will be sharing TensorTech's spherical motor technology for satellite attitude determination and control systems, ADCS. Every satellite in orbit requires precise orientation control along the X, Y, and Z axis. This is the so-called attitude control, which is essential for optical sensing satellites and broadband communication satellites. In most cases, the traditional ADCS needs at least 3 reaction wheels to control the satellite's attitude, which will take up much space inside the satellite. To minimize the size of the satellite and lower the launch cost, TensorTech has developed reaction sphere, a spherical motor technology that can reduce the weight, size, and power consumption of the ADCS by 2/3 compared with the traditional system. The spherical motor has 2 degrees of freedom on its mechanical structure. In terms of rotational dynamics, it works like a variable speed, single gimbal control moment gyro CMG with patented magnetic field design and control methodology. The spherical motor can provide angular momentum and torque in 2 axes. This spherical motor technology can bring your satellite ADCS the same performance but lower weight, volume, and power consumption than the traditional system. Let me start with our integrated ADCS solution. Satellite players used to build their satellites via contracting all design and integration jobs to a professional company, or build the whole satellite by themselves with purchased components. However, the former method usually costs too much. The latter cannot ensure the system's reliability and costs too much time in development. As a result, TensorTech proposes this integrated attitude determination and control system solution with affordable prices and user-friendly interfaces. By adopting this, you don't have to program the complicated attitude determination and control algorithm yourself, but enjoy the quick integration process and instant customer support. Moreover, a variable speed, single gimbal control moment gyroscope driven by spherical motor technology serves as the attitude actuator for this ADCS-100. It is comparatively lighter and consumes less power than traditional solutions. Please scan the QR code on the corner of this page to access our product brochure for further specifications. Let's move on to our reaction sphere attitude actuator. Advanced satellites use control moment gyro CMG as their attitude actuator for having a better slew rate under the same power constraint. However, CMGs appear to be more expensive because of a more complicated control methodology and mechanical structure. Nevertheless, compared with reaction wheels with the same angular momentum storage capability, CMGs have a larger output torque but more volume and weight. TensorTech's RS100 realizes a variable speed single gimbal CMG driven by 2 degrees of freedom spherical motor technology. It successfully shrinks the volume and weight of a CMG by simplifying its mechanical structure. Although CMGs have a comparatively complicated system dynamics, customers won't have to worry about it. RS100 embeds a speed control mode and a torque control mode. Using the speed mode, customers can develop their ADCS algorithm with precise control to the inner rotor speed and the tilting angle of the CMG. Using the torque mode, customers can treat it as a torque output unit, which RS100 propagates the control and steering wheel rates internally and assuming the slew rate of the satellite is less than 1 degree per second. You can download our brochure by scanning the QR code on this page. Turning our attention now to our fine sound sensor. Fine sound sensors measure the sound vector on a satellite body reference frame using specially designed optical structures and electronics. Sound vector information should be fed into attitude determination and control system to facilitate the attitude determination process. Fine sound sensors are comparatively more accurate than magnetometers. They are smaller, lighter, cheaper, consume less power, and operate faster than star trackers or Earth sensors. FSS-100 was designed and manufactured by TensorTech, featuring its tiny size. Users can easily install this device on top of their satellites. Moreover, a microcontroller is embedded into FSS-100 with an error table for a tabulated correction. Therefore, optimal performance could be extracted via in-factory calibration in TensorTech, or users can calibrate these sensors by themselves using the supported software. To calibrate and test the satellite's ADCS on the ground, 3 space environmental conditions are simulated using this platform: sunlight, Earth's magnetic field, and nearly frictionless 3 degrees of freedom rotation. The sunlight spectrum above the Earth's atmosphere is different from the sunlight underground. Therefore, we equipped an AM0 solar simulator here with adjustable jigs. In addition, a 3-axis Helmholtz cage is provided for canceling the local Earth magnetic field and simulate the magnetic field on the targeted orbit. This equipment is helpful for magnetometer calibration or testing the performance of your magnetokers. Finally, spherical air bearing provides a nearly frictionless environment for testing your attitude actuators. Processor and gyroscope on board measure the real-time attitude of the platform for validating the performance of your ADCS. Thank you so much for being so attentive. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Have a good day.
Thank you, Jordan, for sharing with us the groundbreaking satellite technology from TensorTech. The spherical motor technology could enable further reduction in cost and carry more payloads. That's very impressive. Thank you. Our last company today is Civilux. It specializes in manufacturing and selling connectors, FFC, and wire harnesses. They are a supplier to SpaceX. Today, Civilux will share with us their company's electronic communication components and turnkey solutions from product development to production.
Connect the world. Connect the future. We are constantly exploring what technology and life do people need in the future, and how to fulfill the dreams of our partners with professional technology and service. We continue to challenge existing technologies to connect customer needs with imagination in a diversified manner. And to create infinite possibilities. We continue to edge into the global market to bring intelligent platforms into our life. We are CB Lux Group. Focusing on any minor detail is our long-lasting belief. By virtue of high-precision inspection equipment and a professional quality assurance team, we pass multiple high-quality certifications, including IATF 16949 for products with special specifications, and maintain strict standards for product quality. Boasting professional customized design and manufacturing capabilities, we analyze management issues by using big data from CB Lux Group Portal System. We provide customers with the best solutions in real time through CB Lux Digital Management Platform, professional drawing software, and top research and design teams. We adopt intelligent management system from mold development to product completion. To meet different needs and to build a vertically integrated production line. We keep tracking each manufacturing process to gain the best cost and create the best quality with automated precision equipment. We only offer our customers the best products and services. CB Lux is a world leader in connector manufacturing and cable assembly to establish itself internationally. Deeply trusted and supported by customers from all over the world. CB Lux lives up to customers' expectations in linking technology and life and creating a promising future with our partners. CB Lux Group. Connect the world. Connect the future.
Thank you, Civilux, for sharing with us the variety of connected components and services for the application of consumer electronics, computers, communication, and electro-optical industry. Thank you all for joining us today. We hope these 5 Taiwanese companies inspire you and that you will reach out to them to have a dialogue and with questions that you may have. You are also welcome to contact your nearest TAITRA office. We are here to support you. On the right, you see the QR code for our questionnaire. Please fill it and submit it back to us, and we'll provide you with today's presentations and contact information. On the left, you see the QR code for TAITRA's offices. Thank you for taking part in our event today.